I have changed my entire life, and I know you all will as well. My story. Here we go. It is I. I have come full circle. I have found the true meaning of this reality, the true meaning of this world. This has been a journey, and I would like to go all the way from the start to the end, as I can then see how I went full circle. It starts with the concept of accepting the 3D world as the true reality. It starts with the fragmentation of me and considering that a lot of other people, other beings exist in this world. I thought people are living their life, enjoying, working hard. I saw these other people and thought bad thoughts about myself. So the first mistake I made was comparison and thinking they were better than me or happier than me, and that somehow made me feel bad. Thus began my self-improvement journey. I saw that I was doing some things which were apparently bad habits, and I thought if I can quit them, stay X number of days clean, then my life would be better. I was always sure that good things would come to me, and I just have to control my actions and work hard and grind in this life. But I was also always doubtful in my head that life can't be this tough. Would I really have to grind all my life to be rich and happy and have the freedom to do what I really want? Along with my self-improvement journey, where I was trying to quit bad habits daily and failing a lot of negative self-talk started happening. This was in two parts. The first one was where I solidified this concept in my head: if I can just get this, then I'll be happy. If I am in this situation, then I'll be happy. Secondly, I developed this former habit of thinking what others are/would think about me, and this was mostly negative in almost all situations. Combining these two states, it felt like I was on constant negative vibes and feelings inside me. Then eventually, in my self-help journey, I found meditation, and I got laid off from my job around 1 month later. I was still on the constant negative self-talk, which is why I was addicted to my vices, as they gave me an escape from the negative voice in my head. After the layoff, I started to double down on my work, but I convinced myself I just have to prepare for another job and everything would be all right. But I was still in the cycle of, I have to quit this, then I'll be better in life. Meditation really started helping me control my thoughts, and I was seeing some progress, but I still hadn't found the main answer. I started trying to explain to my mom how to do all this, as I was seeing her in a very negative fashion, with a lot of issues. Eventually, I got my job back, but 1 week later, I broke my left hand in an accident. While I was resting, I decided to read the book Becoming Superhuman by Joe Dispenza. It was this book that introduced a few more things to me, like blessing the energy centers, which played the biggest role. In this meditation, we were asked to practice gratitude, which I decided to try. Due to the surgery also, I was clean of my vices, which made me think I'm better now and good things will happen to me. Surprisingly, after practicing gratitude, I really started to feel good about myself and enjoy my life, but the main point was still missing. In some time, I wanted a new job so that my parents could be happy and I could as well, so I found the Neville Goddard subreddit and got introduced to manifestation. It is here that I found the main and only meaning of life and this world. I am consciousness. The entirety of this 3D world just simply reflects who I am and how I feel, as everyone is consciousness as well. And as I can only control my thoughts and feelings and not anyone else's, I can only think what they might think, but I can't think and be them. This means that I am the only creator of this world. As we are all consciousness, but I have the ability to think whatever I want and feel whatever I want. Thus, I am the only controller, or effectively creator, as this world is only a reflection. This revelation has absolutely blown my mind and given me a new perspective on everything. The biggest change was me understanding that every other human is only a reflection of my thoughts and feelings, as they were earlier too, but I wasn't understanding that, as I was just thinking what they might be thinking, but effectively only I was thinking that, thus creating that. The second biggest change was in my controlling my thoughts, not thinking any negative thoughts, and only thinking and feeling positive, as that is how I want to be, and how the resultant world will be. There is nothing to worry about, nothing to fear, as this fear and worry were also created by me. I can simply change these thoughts, and that is how the world will be. This has absolutely changed my life, as I am free now. I think the thoughts I want to think, and I stay fulfilled and happy and abundant. The key is in accepting the 3D world doesn't really matter, as it is just a reflection. The only thing that matters is what I think, what I say to myself on a daily basis, how I feel throughout my day. The 3D world would simply reflect that, and I am not dependent upon it to be happy or sad, as it is me, so I can just be happy or sad. It doesn't matter what anyone else thinks or says, as ultimately I have the freedom to think what I want and be how I want to be. Finishing up, I would like to say meditation is key. You will soon see how quickly you can control your thoughts, and then with positive thoughts, I am, you can control your feelings, and you realize all I wanted to change all along was my feelings, but I was looking for the answer outside. I was the one thinking negatively, but now I control that and enjoy life. You control your thoughts, all the rules you are placing upon yourself. Instead, just try to think positively and just try it out. Forget the outside. Go inside. Just control your thoughts. You realize how simple life is. It's all just love. I love you all, for you all are me, and I thank you all for guiding me here. I have changed my entire life by realizing these truths, and I wish you the best.